दिक्कालाद्यनवच्छिन्न अनन्तचिन्मात्रमूर्तये स्वानुभूत्येकमानाय नमः शान्ताय तेजसे. So we're looking at Murkha Paddhati. We saw 6 shlokas. Swayattam ekantahitam vidhatra vinirmitam chhadanam ajñatayaha visheshatah sarvavidam samaje vibhushanam maunam apanditanam. So the gati, அதாவது there is a what is the what can he do, a murkha? It is very difficult to bring him back to the proper path or anything. Then the only chance for him is to keep quiet, and it is something that is well within his own grasp. It depends on him, his own effort. It doesn't need anybody else's effort right now. So it has been given by Brahma for an apandita, an ignorant, as an ornament. Okay.
This ayatta was the bird we saw in this thing also that day. Okay, good.
Ayattam na adhinam. Next one is yada kinchignoham gajaiva madandhas samabhavam tada sarvajñosmi iti abhavat avaliptam mama manaha yada kinchit buddha jana sakashat avagatam tada murkhosmi iti jvaraiva madaha me vyapagataha. Everybody will experience this shloka at some point or the other in their life. This is a personal experience. Yada kinchidnyaha aham, the moment we think we know a little bit, kinchidnyaha aham, yada, when I was aham kinchidnyaha, when I knew a little bit, gaja iva madandhaha samabhavam abhavam, இது லங்லகாரः, சம்பூர்வக பூதாத்தோः லங்லகாரः. So samabhavam madandhaः samabhavam. I became blinded by pride like a gaja, like an elephant. Just as how when an elephant gets into that rut, when it has that madajalam flowing, when it is in its youth, அது அப்படியே அந்த ஒரு பைத்தியம் பிடிச்சிரும்ல. ஸோ இட் வில் பிகம் ரியலி கிரேசி அண்ட் இட் வில் ஸ்டார்ட் புல்லிங் ஆன் த செயின்ஸ் அண்ட் இட் வில் பி டிஃபிகல்ட் டு கண்ட்ரோல் தட் எலிஃபென்ட். இன் த சேம் வே கஜைவ I also was very arrogant and blinded by that arrogance that was there in my mind because of the fact that I knew a little bit of knowledge. I had a little bit of knowledge. Tada sarvajñah asmi iti avaliptam mama manaha abhavat. Tada, at that point of time, when I knew something and I was like an elephant which was blinded by pride, tada, at that point of time, sarvajñah asmi, I know everything. I always feel when a child comes and talks to us, I know, I have experience, you don't know anything. When a child comes and tells you, that's what is probably going on in the mind of a child. It just thinks, no, Amma has not gone through whatever I have gone through. You don't know, you have not studied in this country. All these things will come up when the child talks to us. Sarvajña, definitely we also went through that stage in our teens or young age. Sarvajñah asmi, I know everything. Iti, avaliptam mama manaha, my mind became avaliptam. Avalepaha is also garvaha. So mother here refers to, again, garvam only. It's the same thing. Darpaha, garvaha, all the same. But he uses a different word here so that there is no repetition. There is something called punarukti dosha. If you use the same word in the same meaning, then there is a dosham called punarukti dosham. If the same word is used again, but it indicates something different, or the meaning is very different, then there is no dosha. Okay? Sarvajñah asmi iti, I know everything. Iti, mama manaha avaliptam abhavat, my mind became arrogant, knowing that, thinking that I know everything. Then slowly what happened? kinchit buddha jana sakashat avagatam. So slowly kinchit buddha jana sakashat, by the nearness. Sakasham here refers to the samipyam tesham alapanena athava आलापेन तेषां सङ्गमात् तत्र किञ्चित् ज्ञातः भवति किं ज्ञातं भवति that मूर्खः अस्मि इति then immediately that mother, that pride that is there in our mind will quickly go away like jwara, like a fever. Just as how the fever came in, and then after some time slowly you give it some chikitsa of some sort, give it some aushadham medicine, and then quickly that fever will also go away as you input some good nutrients into the body. The same way for the mind also. Buddha jana sakashat kinchit buddha jana vidvajjananam sakashat, because of their interaction avagatam, I understood that tada murkhaha asmi, I am indeed a fool. Iti avagatam tada, what happened? Me madaha jwara iva vyapagataha. So the anvaya here is yada aham kinchidnyaha bhutva gaja iva madandhaha samabhavam. This whole thing is one the same anvay pattern. Tada, at that point of time, sarvajnaha asmi iti mama manaha avaliptam abhavat. Okay, that is one sentence over. Now the second one, yada kinchit buddhajana sakashat murkhaha asmi iti avagatam, when I understood that I am a fool because of interacting with intelligent people, tada, adukapra inga tada varano, tada me madaha, so me madaha jwara iva vyapagataha, it left me, it completely moved away from my body. So यस्तु सर्वज्ञः अपि मूढमानी भवति स एव विद्वान् इति विवेकः. இதுதான் பார்க்க வந்தேன். So अल्पज्ञः अपि, even if a person knows very little, अल्पज्ञोऽपि सन् यः आत्मानं सर्वज्ञं मनुते, one who thinks of himself as पंडितमानी, one who thinks of himself as an all-knowing personality, स एव मूर्खः, only that person has to be categorized as a मूर्खः. Whereas यस्तु sarvajnaha api, even if he knows everything, moodhamani adena bala unmattavat jnani vyaparam karoti ityava. So one who knows everything yet moodhamani, he thinks of himself, or he says I don't know anything, because there is so much more to know in this world. Nobody can think that I know everything. Yeah? So I am a fool with respect to certain aspects of the world. Sarvajnaha bhavitum na shaknoti sarvaha. So moodhamani bhavati saeva vidwan, only that person is a viveki or a vidwan. This is the understanding, tatparyam here. So
Sarvajna and sarvavit, there is a lot of difference, no?
அது அந்த உபனிஷத் வேதாந்தத்துல வரைச்சு எஸ் சர்வஜ்ஞா சர்வவித்துன்னுட்டு அதை பிரிச்சு சொல்லுவா. யஹா சர்வம் ஜானாதி யஹா சர்வம் வேத்திங்கர்ச்சு தத்துவவித்துங்கணும். Janati, there is a subtle difference there. One who understands that the world is illusory is one thing, and then sarva vittangarche, one who understands the true nature of Brahman அப்படின்னு பிரிப்பா.
Oh, that one famous Narada's this thing illa naham atmavit, something like that. Aham sarvavidasmi naham atmavid, the one over somewhere, something like that.
Okay.
When Narada, he said எனக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும் ஆனா I'm not
ஆத்மதத்துவம் தெரியாது.
Okay.
So here நமக்கு வந்து
கஹாமோதியா
பாலோன்மத்தவத்துன்னு இருக்கு. ஒரு ஞானி always behaves like a child or an unmatta, like a crazy person. பாலோன்மத்த ஜடவத்து அப்படிம்பா, இல்லைன்னா ஜடம். So we don't realize that he is actually a great person from our perspective. Yes, he would be, but for him he will behave like a child or like a person who is crazy or like someone who is a dull-headed person. But inside, he doesn't think of himself as Sarvajna. In reality, he would be a great person from our perspective.
So அந்த சொல்றல அல்பகடக சப்தம் உபைத்தி நியூனம் சம்திங் லைக் தட். நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் நிறைகுடம் தழும்பாது குறைகுடம் அந்த மாதிரி
குறைகுடம் தெளும்பு அந்த மாதிரி. ஆமா. மதஹ கர்வஹேதுஹு குரு சுஷ்ரூஷா வினயஹேதுஹு இது ஃபலிதார்த்தः. ஓகே. So Buddha-jana sakashat, he takes it as Guru-jana sakashat. The more you go and learn from a teacher, as you proceed further, you will understand that you don't know anything. எத்தனை படிச்சாலும் when we used to go to our teacher 10 வருஷம் 20 வருஷம் 30 வருஷம் அவர்கிட்ட படிச்சிருந்தா கூட no, you never feel that you have surpassed the teacher. That's how they will come across as. அப்பதான் நமக்கு வந்து we also can learn more. அப்பதான் அந்த you have that humility and you learn more. Otherwise it's very tough. அப்போ கண்ணை மறைச்சிடும் நமக்கு. That pride will completely blind us. யதா கிஞ்சிஜ்ஞோஹம் கஜைவ மதாந்தः சமபவம் ததா சர்வஜ்ஞோஸ்மி இதி அபவத் அவலிப்தம் மம மனः யதா கிஞ்சித் கிஞ்சித் புதஜன சகாஷாத் அவகதம் ததா மூர்க்கோஸ்மி இதி ஜ்வரைவ மே மதः வியபகதः. கிருமிகுலசிதம் லாலாக்லின்னம் விகந்தி ஜுகுப்சிதம் நிருபம ரசப்ரீத்யா காதன் கராஸ்தி நிராமிஷம் சுரபதிமபி ஸ்வா பார்ஷ்வஸ்தம் விலோக்ய ந சங்கதே நஹி கணயதி க்ஷுத்ரோ ஜந்துஹு பரிக்ரஹ பல்குதாம். The difference between, so Murkha has a very low way of behaving actually. So he behaves in a very, very lowly fashion in the sense that he doesn't understand the value of what he has in his hand like a dog. So he is comparing the actions of a dog here and he is trying to suggest that a murkha, a fool, behaves in such a manner. Okay, so a crimicula, what does a dog do? When the moment it has some a small bone in its hand, then it starts thinking that it is something that is of great value, and it doesn't even count if Surapati, that is Sakshat Indraha api tatra parshve tishtati chet tamapi shankate na, he doubts even Indra who is standing nearby. He doesn't care about whether Indra is a Amarapati, Swargapati, Devanam Patihi Saha, Tattu tasya manasi nasti eva. This fellow has probably come to steal my bone. That's all. And how is that bone? Adu and the bone adu, it is not some great beautiful bone or anything like that, but it is krimikula chitam. Chitam, it is filled with vyaptam. Chitam nama vyaptam atra. Krimi kulaihi, kirimiங்கிறோம்ல தமிழ்ல அதேதான். So it is crawling with the groups of worms or insects. So krimikula chitam, lala klinnam, it is soaked in saliva. Lala is srinika or saliva. So lala klinnam nama tatra ardram vartate. So it is completely wet with saliva. Vigandhi, it has a very bad smell. Jugupsitam, something that is to be looked upon with disgust. Nirupama rasapritya khada, and niramisham, it has no amisham. At least if it has meat, then there is some ruchi in it, it seems. But it's just a bone, khara asti. The bone of a khara nama atra gardabaha. Hello? Niramisham khara asti rasabha kikasam. Yes. So khara nama, the bone of a donkey, it is eating it. Khadan, as it eats it as if it is a nirupama rasa pritya. There is no other rasam which can be equal to this. So pritya, with a great affection, it is eating it happily. It is not eating, but it gnaws on it, right? It bites on it, and as if it is a nirupama rasam. The rasam is incomparable, with an affection towards it, as if to say that there is no other rasam equal to this. So tatha kadan, as it is eating that khara asti, the bone of the donkey, parshvastham surapatim api vilokya na shankate. Na shankate. Even I would say விஷங்கத்தேன்னு ஒரு ரீடிங் இருந்தது. ந சங்கத்தேன ந லஜ்ஜத்தேன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறார். ஐயோ, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஒரு அல்ப வஸ்துவை வச்சுட்டு ருச்சியா சாப்பிட்றோமேன்னு கூட ஒரு இது இல்லை, அந்த ஒரு தாட் இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம் அங்க. That is, he doesn't even feel ashamed. Na shankate ityukte, he doesn't feel ashamed. So shanka can mean doubt also. If there was vishankate, then I would say he also doubts that this Indra has come to take my bone. Na shankate iti chet atra aham tu neecha karyam karomi ityeva tasya manasi nasti tasmat lajjitaha nasti shva iti. Okay, so parshvastham surapatim api vilokya, even though sakshat Indraha tatra parshve tishtati, even though Indra is standing there, still na shankate, he doesn't feel ashamed or doesn't even care even if Indra is standing beside him. Now kshudraha jantuhu, as a justification here, he says a lowly creature parigraha phalgutam nahi ganayati. It does not even think about, does not see the worthlessness of its parigraham, of the thing that it has in hands. Phalgu nama ரொம்ப ஈனத்தனம்ங்கிறோம் இல்லையா? இங்க என்ன போட்டிருக்காரு? இட்ஸ் அன் அப்பிரஸ்துத பிரசம்சா அண்ட் அர்த்தாந்தர நியாசமும் இருக்கு. வரேன் இல்ல, அப்பிரஸ்துத பிரசம்சா தான் போட்டிருக்காரு. ஏன்னா இட்ஸ் துச்சத்வம். எஸ், பல்குதாம் துச்சத்வம். பரிகிரஹே நாம ஸ்வீகிருத வஸ்துனி துச்சதா. So parigraha phalgutam na ganayati. A kshudra jantu, a neecha jantu, does not even consider the unworthy nature or the little nature, worthlessness of the object that it has on hand. Yeah.
Actually, Paramacharya has said in his Devatin Kural, a dog eating a bone, there is no flesh in it, but it is enjoying because that bone is hurting its mouth and the blood is coming from its own mouth. But the dog doesn't realize that. It is thinking it is coming from the bone and it is enjoying. Like that somewhere he has said that. I've read somewhere.
Okay. தெரியல. அப்பிரஸ்துத பிரசம்சா. ஸோ அத்திர அப்பிரஸ்துத விற்த்தாந்த கதனாத், by talking about a non-contextual vrittantam story. So the story of a dog holding on to the bone and not even caring whether Indra sakshat Indraha atra tishtati va na va ityeva tasya manasi nasti, so it is shamelessly eating a bone. This kind of a story is weaved, but the prastutam here is murkha jana pratitehe. From here we know that if it is a fool, he doesn't understand the worthiness or non-worthiness of an object that he has on hand. He holds it as a treasure. He thinks that's the greatest object in the world. So this applies to the murkha jana, and the story of the murkha comes to our mind. So aprastutasya prashamsa. Okay.
Arthantaranyasa, how are you going to just...
அதாவது அர்த்தாந்தரநியாசம் எதுக்கு சொன்னேன்னா, if the context is prastutam, if the story of a dog itself is the prastutam, then kshudraha jantuhu becomes a samanya, which is a justification of the prastutam, justification of the vishesha, the story of a dog.
Okay.
Yeah. But since the entire
do we also have Sankara?
இல்ல, வேண்டாம். நான் எதுக்கு அர்த்தாந்தரநியாசம் சொன்னேன்னா, if it was just taken out of context, let's say it is not given in the context of மூர்க்க பத்ததி at all, then if it is just a தனித்து ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் அப்படின்னு இருந்ததுன்னா, then if it is a separate individual ஸ்லோகா, then I can treat it as the first section is about a dog, the last line is a kshudro jantuhu na parigraha palgutam na ganayati. It talks in general about a being which is kshudraha, which is lowly being. So that becomes the samanyam, which justifies the vishesha of the story of a dog. But since the context is fixed as the description of a murkha, then murkha becomes the context here. அப்போ அப்பிரஸ்துத பிரசம்சா வந்துரும். அது கிருமிகுலச்சிதம் லாலாக்லின்னம் விகந்தி ஜுகுப்சிதம் நிருபமரசப்ரீத்யா खादन् खरास्ति निरामिषं सुरपतिमपि श्वा पार्श्वस्थं विलोक्य न शङ्कते न हि गणयति क्षुद्रो जन्तुः परिग्रह फल्गुताम्. शिरश्शार्वं इङ्गे இது மீட்டர் இஸ் ஹரிணி விருத்தம் பவதி ஹரிணி ந சௌ ம்ரௌ ஸ்லௌ கோ ரசாம்புதி விஷ்டபைஹி. ஸோ ரச இஸ் ஷட்ரசாக, அம்புதி would mean சதுரம்புதி, and then விஷ்டப, விஷ்டபனா லோகமாக இருக்கும், சப்தலோக இல்லையா? So 4 plus, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 7. Is that okay? So that's how the yati has to come. Work on it and tell me if there is a yati bhanga or not. Shiras sharvam swargat pashupati shirastaha kshitidharam mahidhrad uttungat avanim avaneschapi jaladhim अथो गंगा सेयं पदम उपगता स्तोकम अथवा विवेक भ्रष्टानां भवति विनिपात शतमुखः. Again, this is also a type of aprasthuta prashamsa. He is talking about Ganga right now. Look at the plight of Ganga. It started off from the head of Parameshwara. Sharvam shiraha swargat, from swargam it fell down onto the head of Parameshwara. So Swargat, Shiraha, Sharvam, Upagata, everything will connect now to Upagata here. So Sa Iyam Ganga, that Ganga, starting from Swargam, it fell onto the head of Parameshwara. Pashupati Shirastaha, from the head of Pashupati, Kshiti Dharam, it fell onto the mountain, which is Himalayas. Kshitidharaha. Mahidhrat, from the mountain, Uttungat Mahidhrat, from the very tall mountain, it fell to the bhumi, avanim upagata. Avaneschapi, from the bhumi, it went further down to the jaladhi. Bhumi can be on a higher level than the sea level. Yeah? Only closer to the sea will the bhumi reduce and go down to the sea level. Otherwise, the normal bhumi, the plains are all at a few meters above the sea level. So avanehe chapi, from the bhumi, jaladhim prapta upagata, it went to jaladhi bhumi. It went to the ocean. So thus athaha, in this manner, atho அத்தோங்கிறது என்ன போட்டிருக்கார்? அத்தோ அனந்தரம், ததனந்தரம் சேயா மந்தாகினி ஸ்தோகம் உபகதா, ஸ்தோகம் பதம் உபகதா. Okay, he takes that to mean anantaram here. So atho anantaram seyam Ganga stokam padam upagata. So this Ganga again became very little, இல்லைன்னா ஸ்தோகம் பதம்ங்கிறச்சே ரொம்ப நீச்ச பதம், அங்கிருந்து கீழே போனா இல்லையோ, that is not given.
பாதாளம்,
பாதாளம் தானே. ஸ்தோகம் பதம்ங்கிறச்சே அதஹ உக்த பிரகாரேண அதவ் பிரதேசே பாதாளே வா பதம் யோஜனா. அதுதான். Then she went into an even more alpa pradesham which is called Narakam. It's not praised as the greatest place that everybody wants to go. Everybody wants to go to Swargam, maybe even Bhumi, but nobody wants to go to Narakam. So you take it as a Stokam. Adu oru alpa pradesha iti. Okay, so she reached Stokam padam upagata. She even went to all the way up to Patalam. Athava, or else this is how there are 100 ways in which a person who has lost his viveka, buddhi, lost his discriminating power, can fall down in 100 ways. So, viveka bhrashtanam jananam vinipataha, the fall of a person. So pride comes before a fall. So arivilandavan, one who loses his discrimination, can fall into ruin. Vinipataha shatamukhaha, in 100 ways. Shatamukhaha nama vinipatasya atra visheshanataya uktam. So vinipatastu, vinipataha nama nashaha. Nashaha kidrishaha bhavati shatamukhaha. Shatam mukhani yasya saha. It has hundreds of avenues. People have hundreds of avenues to get destroyed if they don't think properly, use their brain properly. And she became very arrogant, and that's why when she fell onto Parameshwara's head, he released only one small stream of Ganga onto it. So as she came to the plains and then went into the ocean and then down, her flow also became slow. At the same time, she also fell from a very high place and started going to a lower and lower place. Adho adho gacchati sa iti. Shirash sharvam swargat. Solungo.
Aprasthuta prashamsa, okay. Does it also have paryayukti?
Yama, adhara marradulyo. Adhara marrad. Do inge irukku. So atra anekasmin adhare kramena ekasyaha adheyabhutayaha gangayaha स्थितिकथनात् पर्यायाख्यः अलङ्कारः. So क्रमेण एकम् अनेकस्मिन् आधारे वर्तते. So gradually when one itself keeps moving from one adhara to another adhara, the adheyam keeps moving. So Ganga prathamam Pashupati Shirasi Swarge Asit, Tadanantaram Tasyaha Adhara Bhutattvena Tatra Shivasya Shiraha Asit, Shivasya Shirastaha Sa Himalaye Jata Tatra Himalayopi Adharaha Anyasmin Adhare Jata Iti Varnitatva Tatra Paryayuktir Alankaraha. Yeah.
But this is it is already mentioned that Viveka Brashtanam, so it is not an Aprasthuta Prashamsa, right?
It is so in the இடத்துல வந்து you can take it as Arthantaranyasam எடுக்கலாம்.
Okay.
So take it as an Arthantaranyasa Alankara and Paryayukti. Either Paryayukti and Paryaya Alankara, Paryayam and Aprasthuta Prashamsa are samsrishti. They are not mixed together. They
You mean
are separate.
Arthantaranyasa, not Aprasthuta, right?
Arthantaranyasama எடுத்துக்கிறது better.
Okay.
ஆமா. சாமான்யேன விசேஷ சமர்த்தனம் and இல்ல the Paryaya Alankara is an angam for this. Because Vinipataha has to be described. Vinipata Veno. Adnala Vinipatathukku the Nashasyato Atra Paryaya Alankaraha eva upaskaroti. Tasmat it becomes angam. Shirasharvam Swargat Pashupati Shirastaha Kritidharam Mahidhradut Uttungat Avanim Avaneschapi Jaladhim Atho Ganga Seyam Padam Upagata Stokam Athava Viveka Brashtanam Bhavati Vinipata Shatamukaha. Shakyo Varayitum Jalena Hutabhuk Shurpena Suryatapaha Nagendro Nishitankushena Samadaha Dandena Gaur Gardabha Vyadhihi Bheshaja Sangrahaischa Vividhaihi Mantraif Prayogair Visham Sarvasya Aushadhamasti Shastra Vihitam Murkhasya Nasti Aushatam. So Murkhasya, so what is the Nivaranam? How do we remove that foolhardiness or foolishness? There is no
The previous one is Shikarini, yeah? Shikarini.
Previous one was Shikharini. Ama. Shikharini. Soundarya Pura அதுதான் உங்களுக்கு. This one I think is Shakyo Varayitum Jalena Hutabuk Shardula Vikriditam. Shardula Vikriditam. Shakyo Varayitum Jalena Hutabuk. Jalena Hutabuk Varayitum Shakyaha. everything else, that varayitum shakyaha has to go with everything else right now. Okay, so அது வந்து there is an alankara called tulya yogita in that இது ஆனா இவர் போட்டிருக்க மாட்டார். So tulya yogita usually is where the kriya is the same for a couple of things. Then it is called tulya yogita. All of these are aprastuta. அதாவது if you connect either the prakritam with one kriya or all of the aprakritas with one kriya, then it is called tulya yogita. If one prakritam and aprakritam is joined with the kriya, then it is deepaka alankara. So that is the difference here. Yeah. So let's see. Huta bhuk jalena varayitum shakyaha. Huta bhuk nama vannihi. Hutam bhunakti. That which enjoys or eats whatever is being put in the oblation. So the Agni is like a postman to carry the havis to each and every devata there. Even if we say Indraya idam namama, even if Indra is there standing beside, you have to pour it only into the Agni. You cannot give him directly on hand. So it is only Agni who has to take the havis inside. So Hutabuk, if we want to stop the Agni fire, we do it with water. So Jalena varayitum shakyaha. It is possible for us to stop Agni using it is possible to stop Agni using water. And then Shurpena Suryatapaha varayitum shakyaha. Surya atapaha shurpena varayitum shakyaha. Suryatapaha, the sun's heat can be stopped. Varayitum shakyaha. It can be stopped by using a using shurpa. Shurpamna the moram. Moram அப்படிம்போ. You can take it as a chatram here.
Chatram.
Vinova.
Winnow basket. Winnow basket.
So illana you take it as a some kind of a umbrella madri, you know, in other words.
In fact, I found it in a shop in Pleasanton recently. I was surprised. So மரம் பார்த்தேன்.
இருக்கு கணபதிக்கு வந்து சூர்பகர்ணஹாங்கிறோம் because it is like a moram. Nagendraha nishita ankushena varayitum shakyaha. So Nagendraha, an elephant can be stopped using a nishita sharp ankusham. Ankusham nama the prod. You use a prod to stop the or goad. With a sharp goad, even the best of Nagendraha, even the best of animals, best of the elephants can be stopped using a goad. Samadaha, அதுதான் இங்க. Samadaha nagendraha nishita ankushena varayitum shakyaha. An elephant which is in rut, so which is really madasahitaha yaha gajaha vartate tamapi. And then gauhu gardabaha cha dandena varayitum shakyaha. Gaur gardabaha, both gauhu and cow, or not cow, actually inge vandu you take it as an ox. Okay, so a bull and a donkey, gardabaha, can be controlled. Varayitum shakyaha, can be stopped using a danda, using a stick. There is some kind of a thing to stop them, right? Control for these animals.
You need a whip.
Idu whip vandu for a horse.
No, for the even
for அது ரைட் தான், ஆனா அந்த காலத்துல தண்டம் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கா, அதுக்காக சொல்றான். To bring it under control. Vyadhi beshaja sangra vyadhihi vividaihi beshaja sangrahaihi vyadihi varayitum shakyaha. It is possible to stop or cure a disease using different kinds of beshajam, aushadham. Okay, beshaja sangrahaihi, by different combinations of medicines you can there is a cure for vyadhi. Visham mantraihi prayogaihi cha, vividaihi mantraihi prayogaihi, you can take vividaihi for both. So with different kinds of mantra and prayogam and actions, you can actually neutralize poison. Visham varayitum shakyaha. So inge vandu visham varayitum shakyam, change it for that. सर्वस्य औषधम् अस्ति शास्त्रविहितं शास्त्रविहितं औषधं सर्वस्यापि वर्तते. There is some kind of an aushadham medicine for everything has a remedy, everything has a medicine in the shastra vihitam, in the book, in the books, whereas murkhasya aushadham na asti. There is no aushadham, there is no medicine for a fool.
My grandmother used to say, வாதத்துக்கு மருந்து உண்டு, பிடிவாதத்துக்கு மருந்து கிடையாது.
மருந்தில்லை. ஆமா. Yeah. शक्यो वारयितुं जलेन हुतभुः क्षूर्पेण सूर्यातपः नागेन्द्रो निशिताङ्कुशेन समदः दण्डेन गौर्गर्दभः व्याधिर्भेषज सङ्ग्रहैश्च विविधैः मन्त्रैः प्रयोगैः विषं सर्वस्य औषधमस्ति शास्त्रविहितं मूर्खस्य नास्ति औषधम्. Yeah.
Mudaya, Nidarshana is also there or no?
Why?
In this one.
What is Nidarshana definition?
Definition, okay, one second. That one I forgot.
என்ன நிதர்சனோட அசம்பவத் வஸ்து சம்பந்தः.
वाक्यार्थयोः सदृशयोः
सदृशयोः वाक्यार्थयोः
एकस्य आरोपो निदर्शन
एक आरोपः. பட் இங்க அப்படி இல்லையே. இங்க சதிருஷயோஹோ வாக்கியயோஹோ இருக்கு, but there is no aropa here. Where is the aropa?
Okay.
If he had said murkhasya pe aushadam asti, then there would be aropa.
இல்ல, அப்படியும் இல்ல. யதா ஜலேன ஹுதபுக் வாரயிதும் சக்யஹ ததா மூர்க்கஸ்ய something. so யாதாத்து சௌமியதா சேயம் பூர்ணேந்து ரகலங்கதாதனே நமக்கு. அந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் இஸ் யத் தாத்துஹு சௌமியதா which is impossible. சேயம் பூர்ணேந்தோ ரகலங்கதா இல்லையா? we are talking about two asambhavat vastu sambandha. There is no asambhavat vastu. You can actually stop fire with water. You can stop idu ellame. These are all possibilities here. This talks about something that is impossible. Avlovada.
So if you say yatha samudram eka madhubinduna what do you call it,
the first part labeta sikatasu shailamapi yatnataha pidayan, and the section you can say is an asambhavat vastu sambandha.
Yeah, that's right. If you say just like how
vare even there adu varadu. இதுதான் வியாலம் சமுத்திர ரோத்தும் சமுத்திரம்பதே பேத்தும் வஜ்ரமணிம். இதுதான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து நிதர்சன அலங்காரம் வரும்.
So here he is doing two impossible things. Like how you can stop the wild elephant with the trinam.
Yeah. We didn't discuss this. He says vritti nidarshana bhedaha nacha ayam drishtantah, because vakya bedena pratibimbakarana apekshe akshepe tasya utthanat atra tu vakyarthe vakyartha samaropat vakya ekavakyatayam tad abhavat alankara sarvasvakarah. So in other words, this is nidarshana alankara here. So asambhavad vastu sambandha vakyartha adu venum namakku. Okay, so yaha atra yaha pratinetum ichchati. So let me just read this section for this shloka. Vyalam balam rinala tantubirasau rodhum samujrambate. So he is trying to do something which is impossible. Yeah, that is a good catch. Atra from here.
So what?
சொல்லுங்க.
What is that? So the last line enna inga vande, what is the last line of murkha? Like how does it
last line is murkhanyaf pratinetum ichchati balat suktaihi sudhasyandibihi. So one who is trying to one who is trying to bring back a murkha to the proper path is actually trying to make the ocean sweet using one drop of honey. Adu matram paadupom.
Right, that's it. Adana solitna. Yeah.
Very true. So yaha atra yaha pratinetum ichchati vanchati asau samujrambhate ityadi vishishta anunaya ichha vijrambanadi vakyarthayoho So the Vakyartha, all the 1, 2, 3 are impossible actions. And one who is trying to bring back a Murkha is also doing an impossible action. So ekatva asambhavat, it is not possible. Nirdishta ekatva asambhavat. So sadrishya lakshanayam, when you are trying to give a comparison between two impossible actions, so there is an asambhavat vastu sambandha. There is a connection between two objects which are not at all possible, or two actions that are not possible. Then it is called a nidarshana alankara. Clear? When there is a possibility, then it is drishtanta alankara.
Right. So if the aropa, there is an aropa, but if it's about an impossible thing, then it's nidarshana. Whereas if it's a possible thing, then it will become drishtanta. That's the thing that we are saying. Okay.
Bimba pratibimba bhava should be there, and it should be possible also.
It's possible. Okay. Because here also, could we argue that there's a bimba pratibimba bhava? Here we probably cannot, right?
Yeah.
Like in this case, in nidarshana also, is there a bimba pratibimba bhava?
Sometimes it can be, sometimes it need not be. So in nidarshana does not rely on bimba pratibimba bhava, whereas drishtanta relies on bimba pratibimba bhava. Nidarshana, I can have yattat and connect two things.
So there's no aropa in drishtanta then?
ஆரோபம் கிடையாதே உங்களுக்கு அங்க பிம்ப பிரதிபிம்ப பாவம் தான் ஆரோபம்னா this is the same as thisங்கிற மாதிரி ஆயிடும் அப்படி இல்ல
right
it's just two things seem to be expressed in a way manner in and the samana dharma should be different there
okay
in drishtanta
yeah I mean it's a really subtle alankara analysis. It's not easy to remember all the various aspects, but it is so amazingly done. Like you cannot deny the uniqueness of each alankara.
But pretty பழக்கறச்சே as you analyze it will slowly become clearer and clearer. So idoda we finish with Murkha Paddhati.
So what can we put for the 10th one? Is there something we can put?
10th-க்கு வந்து ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. எதுக்கு அலங்காரம் இருக்கணும்ங்கற அவசியம் இல்ல. So there is this statement in Kavya Prakasham, na punar alankritihi kwapi. Even if there is no alankara, it can be a beautiful kavyam. It can even be an uttama kavyam. You don't need alankara always. Alankara actually reduces the value of it a little bit if there is no dhvani.
Okay.
Yeah.
But some kind of contrast is being done here. Between the two things, like you can do all these impossible things, but you cannot do this thing. So some kind of contrast is there, but I'm not sure if there's a name for that kind of contrast.
I don't think there is any alankara for this. It's just ஒரு அழகா ஒன்னு சொல்லிருக்காரு அவ்வளவுதான். It's just stating facts here. More like facts than any beauty as such. Yeah.